We are now going to do exercise 5. But before we begin, we need to review what a noun is. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. In order for us to do the next exercise, we need to understand what a noun is because we will be replacing the noun with a pronoun. A pronoun are words that substitute a noun. A pronoun has the same meaning as a person or thing. For example, if I am talking about a girl or a woman, I would use the word she as a pronoun. She does her homework. She cleans her room. These are the pronoun for a woman or a girl. If I was talking about a man or a boy, I would use the pronoun he. So let's continue with some of the rules that we need to remember in order to do the next exercise. Rules to follow. Subject pronouns are used at the beginning of a sentence to replace a noun. The pronoun and noun have the same meaning. For example, she is the girl or the woman. They mean the same thing. We're talking about the same person. If I am talking about a boy, I could use the pronoun he. So he means the boy. And last, the subject pronoun refers to a noun when used in a sentence. So let's look at